Atomic Wallet Crypto Wallet Full Review. So Atomic Wallet. Hi everyone. In this video, we're reviewing Atomic Wallet, an all-in-one decentralized wallet for managing, exchanging, and staking cryptocurrencies. So let's dive in. Atomic Wallet is a non-custodial wallet that gives you full control over your private keys and supports over 500 cryptocurrencies. It's known for its user-friendly interface and built-in exchange features. For its key features, it has a multi-currency support, so you can store, send, and receive hundreds of coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. It has a built-in exchange, so you can swap cryptocurrencies directly in the app, and staking rewards, so earn passive income by staking coins like Cardano and Polkadot. It has decentralized security, so private keys are stored locally on your device. So is it free? Yes. Atomic Wallet is free to download and use, however, network fees apply with transactions and the in-app exchange has a small fee. Is it legit? Of course. Atomic Wallet is highly rated in the crypto community for its security and ease of use. However, always exercise caution, as being non-custodial means you're fully responsible for your wallet's security. If you wanted an easy and secure way to manage your crypto with added features like staking and exchange, Atomic Wallet is worth trying. Thanks for watching.